Hello, welcome to day 9 of our 28-day gratitude practice that we are doing with the help of the book by Rhonda Byrne called The Secret, The Magic. Today's chapter is the money magnet. Like a magnet doesn't have to do much to attract the metal, similarly, today's chapter will teach you how to become a money magnet, a magnet that attracts money. So, before we actually get on to the assignments, let us first sit and think that do we complain about money? Do we feel jealous about any good or service that other person is getting to avail through money? Do we feel doubtful of our investments? Do we criticize the cost of something? If your answer is yes, then my friend, you are in the negative feeling zone for money and you yourself are pushing the money. So the most important area where we all complain, where we all make faces is the moment we receive a bill in our hand. We forget that that bill has been received because we availed a good or service in return. We forget the fact that it is the cost of that good that we are using, that service that we are using or already we have used. For example, the electricity bill. It comes after 1 month of usage of electricity. For example, the Wi-Fi bills. It comes after 1 month of using that facility. For example, the postpaid bills. For example, the rent. You have lived in someone else's house for a month. That is the reason you are paying that rent. But our default mental setting is we begrudge our bills. We forget that the act of gratitude is the only way to cause monumental effect in our monetary situation. No matter what your current situation is, whether you have money to pay your bills or whether you do not have the money to pay your bills, but be grateful for the good or the service that you used because of which you received that bill. So today's assignment is to collect 10 paid bills and write across the face of the bill, "Thank you, paid." And if you have any unpaid bill at your home, then you can write, "Thank you for the money." Whether you have the money to pay that bill or not, but feel as grateful as you already have that money to pay that bill and write, "Thank you for the money." Considering nowadays we get paperless bills, so we get bills on our email. So what you can do is, if you have any unpaid e-bill, then you can forward that bill to your email ID with a changed subject line, and in the subject line you may write it in capital bold letters, "Thank you for the money." And similarly, when you have paid the bill, you can forward it again to yourself and say, "Thank you, paid." The more gratitude you can harness for the bills you have paid, the more money you will magnetize towards yourself. Feeling gratitude for the money you have paid out guarantees the abundance you will receive. Doesn't matter what is the bill amount. It might be as small as $1 or it might be as small as 10 rupees, if I may say. But what matters is the amount of gratitude you feel for the bill, for the service, for the good that you received in return of that bill. I'm hoping you guys are doing your Count Your Blessing and Magic Rock exercise without any reminders. So if you want to be a part of our group reading sessions, please follow the link to Facebook given in the description box of the video below. Thank you.